Hello everyone, my name is Anna. Today, me and my friend Anh are going to make sushi.
First, here are the ingredients. We have cucumber, eggs, rice, sausages,
Bamboo sushi mat, sushi nori, and sesame oil.
Let's prepare the ingredients. Now we need to cook the ingredients.
We need to cut the carrots into the slice like this. Do the same with sausage.
Eggs and cucumbers are also cut into slices like these.
All of the ingredients have been prepared. Now let's begin.
Make sure that you have some oil onto your hand.
Now put one slice ingredient on top and roll it.
Spread the rice over the sushi nori. But before you put the rice onto the sushi nori, put some sesame oil onto the rice. After you spread the rice onto the sushi nori, put one slice of each ingredient on the bottom of the sushi nori. After you put all of the ingredients on top, you need to roll it into a round roll. Then put the round roll onto the sushi mat and roll it again. Make a firm squeeze, but it should be gentle so that it can be firm, but don't swash it.
Now we just need to cut it. Eat it with mayonnaise.
Let's eat. Wow, this is delicious. This is what we have made. What about you? Can you share with us?
Thank you for listening.
Bye.